Dealing with multiple Python versions and pip? Is there any way to make pip play well with multiple versions of Python? For example, I want to use pip to explicitly install things to either my Site 2.5 installation or my Site 2.6 installation. For example, with easy_install, I use easy_install 2.5,6. And, yes, I know about virtualenv, and no, it's not a solution to this particular problem.
The current recommendation is to use Python mpip, where Python is the version of Python you would like to use. This is the recommendation because it works across all versions of Python, and in all forms of virtualenv. For example, previous answer, left for posterity. Since version 0.8, pip supports pip version. You can use it the same as easy_install version. Edit, pip changed its schema to use pipe version instead of pip version in version 1.5. You should use the following if you have pip is greater than or equal to 1.5. Check this URL for more details. References. This URL. This URL or this URL.
On Windows, you can execute the pip module using a given Python version through the Python launcher, py.x, if you chose to install it during Python 3 setup. You can be even more specific and request an exact subversion of Python. To get a list of all installed Python versions available through the launcher, run Alternatively, you can launch the desired Python executable directly.
/path/to/python2.5,6/path/to/pip install package name doesn't work? For this to work on any Python version that doesn't have pip already installed, you need to download pip and do Python version setup.py install. For example, Python 3.3 setup.py install. This resolves the import error in the comments, as suggested by @pf.
I had Python 2.6 installed by default, Amazon EC2ME, but needed Python 2.7 plus some external packages for my application. Assuming you already installed Python 2.7 alongside with default Python 2.6 in my case. Here is how to install pip and packages for non-default Python 2.7. Install pip for your Python version. Use specific pip version to install packages.
Personal